Hello, hello. All right, we're back at it again at the jetty out here. It's been windy and rainy the last few days. Now it's not raining right now, so I'm gonna give it a shot. See what I can get into. Oh, my shrimp fell off right off the bat. All right. Still really frozen. A little cool today, so I should have had it under the heater, huh? Well, yet again. That was a sorry throw. Wow. But whatever. It's a beautiful day today. Overcast. A little cloudy still. It's supposed to rain again. Trying to get out here before it does. Alright, down to my last couple shrimp here. And nothing. Oh, no, hung up. Naughty Styles. They have a YouTube channel.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they just building a huge ship in Europe is being built for them. Okay, last fish or shrimp, and I'll just cast that lure around for a while. That's it. Something taking a bite. I probably just took it. Yep, that was it. Okay, I ran out of shrimp, so I ran back to the bait store. This time I bought some squid. And I'm on the beach right now. This is a little area. Uh-oh, I got a bite? Or something just playing with me. Anyways, look at this, you got the whole beach to yourself. Am I on? Wow. Nope, just caught some seaweed. All right, I'm gonna cast it around over here for a little bit since there's nobody here. We're on the beach and there's no one here. This is nice. Do some beach fishing. I gotta get out there and get some more videos done. Like I said earlier, it's been raining and super windy, so today's a nice day. The wind kind of died down a lot, and raining, at least for a little while anyway. People out there diving right there. Alright, looks like that rain's back. It's starting to rain a little. Might be leaving. Getting hung up. No, don't get hung up. I don't like this side. You know, those rocks over there. Not so many of them on this side. Somebody dumped all their shrimp. I don't know what kind of crab that is, but look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, I caught something. Poor thing, I got it in the eye though. So I'm gonna have to use it as bait. Let's see. That fancy boat again. You probably ate the hook clean on this one again. Let's see. A little something jumping around right there. Yep. Clean the hook. All right. They ate all the shrimp. Now they're eating all the squid. little feller. Wow, it either came off or something made it. Wow, all right. Wind's starting to pick up. I'm almost out of bait anyway. Time to leave. Time to call it a day. Look, like mini sailboats. People can learn how to sail. Pretty cool. All right. I just caught that little fish and that was it. It was fun though. It was nice and relaxing. I enjoyed it. They ate all the shrimp and ate all the squid. All right. Hey, thanks for watching and subscribe so I can win that plaque. 100,000 I'm trying to get to. All right. Thanks. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Hit the like button so it algorithm sends it out. Thanks. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.